Okay, I'm gonna start off the vlog. Walking into the store for Food for Less right now. Paddy wagon number 1. We have Kat, Brad, Sophia, and Kim. The other group is gonna get to the beach a little later. And we're gonna go to Food for Less and get some food for less. So, let's go. Okay, we just came out of the store. We just got some goislop right now. Let's go. We're gonna put this in the car in a tiny ass Prius. Let's hope this fits. Let's freaking do this. Now we're at the Starbucks. Okay, we're almost at the beach. We have like 25 minutes left. I don't know if I can get in camera now, but I look over here. Solo. Yeah. Let's go. A blanket in the car and just, yeah. Pretty cool. And yeah, let's do this. We're at the beach now. Took forever to blow that up. I'm here. Beach, pretty nice day. Looks like there's something going on over there though. No clue. So yeah. Everyone's here. Not everyone, but first group is here, set up. And it's gonna be a cool day. It's a little chilly, but not chilly, but it's windy. It's good. And yeah, let's do this. Alright, so the other party came. Jazz, Larissa, Gavi, Isaac, brother, Jaden, David.
You're filming?
Yeah.
Dude, I was about to ask you.
And yeah, we're just chilling right now. They just got here. About to go to the beach. Oh shit! It just flew away. And she just flew away. Oh, I hit freaking Cat's head. Oh shit. Oh my gosh. We just took a couple of group pictures right now. It was like D-Day in the water. I went in there with the boys. It was genuinely like Doomsday, World War II. It was horrible.
Camera go.
Talk about D-Day.
D-Day, it's literally
That shit, I got thrown around the water. My Oakleys broke, so now it's just a little handle. The sunglasses are gone. Oakleys are gone. Have to get another pair. Ouch. And yeah, it was bad. I'm not gonna get in that deep. The waves are radical right now. Very radical. Not in a good way. So yeah, it's update right now. We're just chilling now.
Alright, go back to the water.
Chilling. And it's getting cold, a little chilly here. I want it to be nighttime, so I can do that. Now we're getting.
No one's gonna watch stuff, so you guys better hide your stuff.
Ask them, they can watch for us. They watch for them.
I guess they're racing. They're gonna crash into the lifeguard. Round 1 to the water. Tawata. Catherine, change.
I can't do this right now.
It's okay. It's a workout. I need to go to the restroom.
Have you worked out a day in your life?
No, because I'm a gamer.
Oh God.
And I really need to go to the restroom, but yeah. Stop kicking me.
Can I see the camera really fast?
Why? No.
No. I'm not gonna. No shit. So is everyone. Go. Go. Go.
Hey! Give me that shit. Give me my freaking camera. Yeah.
Have you ever peed in the ocean?
Yeah.
Actually?
Yeah. You remember when we were?
It's cold.
Oh, and that's cold.
Bro, look. This, he was on the boat. Ready? Set, go. Take him in there.
Nah, I'm not going out.
No! That's cold.
Oh, my back hurts because of how cold it is. Oh, it is cold. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Oh my god. Fuck, it's cold, it's cold, it's really cold. He's gonna fall, he's gonna fall. Bro, no, you're going for Hold on. Pretty cool. And it's gone. Oh, shit.
No, I'll hold your camera.
Be careful.
I
Be
will.
careful. Be very careful.
I promise. Go. I think his pants are falling. Oh fuck.
Okay, now we're just off the beach right now. We got the fire started. We should probably hatch it. Yes. Very hazardous, danger.
Bro, CO2, bro.
CO2 levels. With those umbrellas, we're gonna create a hot air balloon. And yeah, so yeah, I'm freezing cold right now, and yeah. Now we're just chilling now. Fire's kind of dying out a little bit.
You got fucking yams.
Right here. Yeah. Not bad, kid.
My hands are like.
All right. We're gonna leave the beach. We're getting ready to leave the beach right now. Got everyone here chilling out. It is cold as frick. We might go. We're gonna get in and out the Dr. Brazilian and maybe some Joe's ice cream Italian. So yeah. So I just. Okay, we're leaving the beach now.
Sorry, record me.
Going to the beach now. And we're going to In-N-Out. So let's freaking do this. Let's go. Now we're at the In-N-Out Crossing Palms. The Golden Arrow. Chow time. Let's go. Oh, interesting. Okay. We are now at In-N-Out. Hey, like at the quinceañeras. Like at the quinceañeras.
Get 14, please.
Like at the quinceañeras when you're eating your food.
Get 14, please. 14.
Wow. And last but not least, I'm salivating right now. Let's do this. Now we're at Joe's some long ass freaking Universal Studios ride. Tell them we'll cut back when we get to.
I'm trying to get a taste of Joe, that's why.
What?
Who said that?
We should know when to talk. Alright, well, I forgot to record the Joel's Italian Eyes, but we have it right here. I don't know if what I'm recording, but yeah. But yeah, we're going home now. And this is gonna be the outro. This might be a short video. But yeah, this is pretty much it for the vlog today.
Bye.
And I'll see you guys in the next one.